So basically, you can pick any plants you want to, and also you can draw down this place of interest on your notebook. And you definitely can encounter some of the predators like the black bear, grizzly bear, and also cougars, wolves. And also you can get this legendary rock boss. Yeah, let's just throw it back. Guys, yeah, you can also definitely tame this Hungarian half-bred, a wild one. So I think you can finish up this maybe the hunter challenge, huntsman challenge. I think maybe horseman challenge, and definitely you can free roam the Blackwater area, and also you can set up a camp and you can sleep here. Yeah, let's wake up in the morning. We don't want to do the fast travel because this is our home. We don't want to go anywhere else. No Pinkertons. Guys, I am in Blackwater, and I have made Blackwater a safe land for Arthur. Let's see how I did it. Now you need a buggy. For this part, I'm going to speed it up because I've already got like a video complete guide about how you can reach New Austin crossing this Blackwater area. So it should be super duper easy. So the guide starts from this point, guys. Alright? Yeah. So let's see. So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how Arthur can completely free roam the Blackwater Nature area. I mean the tall tree part and the Great Plains part. Now we first want to cross Blackwater to enter New Austin. So first, you definitely have to avoid a group of Pinkertons spawning out of nowhere, but actually they have their, you know, they have their fixed spawning points too. Okay, yeah, but it is not our today's topic. And then we want to reach New Austin from maybe this wooden bridge. We can take this path, or you can take any path you want to. And then you want to come to where I am right now. Oh, really? We have found a legendary fish spot? Oh, now, you want to check your map regularly. And there is this lawman, single patrolling lawman, riding his horse in certain paths of New Austin. And he is our key to do this achievement. Now let's avoid him a little bit. So he is going to take the main path, and we want to avoid him so that we want to assassinate this guy. And I'm sure along the way you can meet many single Pinkertons like this. All you have to do, it doesn't have to be this guy. It can be any guy. Make sure you don't take a chance. You kill him with maybe one shot or two without being wanted, because we want to hide here a little bit, because if you guys face each other, then he will maybe alert, you know, raise this alert so that there will be, you know, like other Pinkertons spawning right in front of your face. Okay, so this is maybe a regular lawman. Maybe this is a Pinkerton. We don't care too much about it. Anyways, we killed him, right? Now we want to go back to Blackwater. Still, please keep yourself on your buggy because you are still in New Austin and there is still sniper shots. We are nearly there. Okay, so get off the buggy. The bounty is like $5. From now on, guys, from now on, from this moment, this whole tall trees area and the Great Plains part is all Arthur's. There will no be Pinkertons anymore from this moment on. As you can see, I'm not on a mission, so you can do it anytime you want to. Now guys, I'm talking about how I made this nature land completely safe for Arthur. I'm not talking about the town, the Blackwater town area, because for that area you need a new method, a completely different method, and I have already uploaded that method already, like a year ago maybe. We're not on a mission, so all the things are so natural about Blackwater. We can pick any plants we want to, we can do anything we want to, because now this whole nature area is all Arthur's, it's all yours. So definitely you can do some hunting like the regular animals. Now I mean chapter 2, like I said, do it in any chapter when you want to. When you want to free roam this beautiful piece of land, because I really love this tall tree area and the Great Plains, especially the Great Plains, because I really love that piece of land. I love the landscape, the beautiful nature, you know, maybe the sunlight. I just love to see Arthur walking freely. Now we have come to this part. See that red spot? That's American black bear. Yeah, like I said, you can along the way you may see some grizzly bears, black bears, and cougar places, and a pack of wolves. Everything. So you can definitely draw down anything you want to. If I'm not mistaken, there should be like 2 places of interest for you to sketch on your notebook, and this is one of them. And you probably know about this. Something special about this is that you know, the legend of it doesn't show on the map, even if you have already marked it on your notebook. And then, yes, hey you, you haven't gone far, buddy. And then, yeah, we definitely want to come to this place for some, you know, legendary rock boss. Now listen to the music. I mean the background music. This is so peaceful and quiet. You know, not that intense one. You have to face up against so many Pinkertons, and they come out of nowhere. No more Pinkertons, guys. We have disabled the Blackwater Nature Pinkertons. Yeah, let's throw it back, and I guess we will see each other again, buddy. Yeah, this legendary rock boss, and definitely you can, like I said, this piece of land is all Arthur's. You can do whatever you want to. I don't know about you, but I think it is quite important to me. It's really satisfactory for Arthur to, you know, take a walk on this piece of land. Yeah, I especially like this Great Plains area, because you know you have the best views. It's so flat, the land is so flat, and you know, grass on the ground. I really enjoy it. And also, you probably know there is this fixed spot of the Hungarian half-bred, the wild Hungarian half-bred. Then you want to come for it, so that you can finish your Horseman 10 with ease, you know, without concerning about any disturbance. Yeah, let's mount this horse and tame it. So I'm in maybe midpoint or maybe later of chapter 2, so that I have already unlocked the fishing this activity for Arthur. But if you want to come to here, then come here anytime you want to. You can do it the first thing for you in chapter 2. Okay, let's pick some plants. We know that on these Great Plains there are a lot of like gold current places. So this is basically the main part of this this video, guys. I found it like maybe 2 years ago, maybe more than 2 years ago. Maybe in the future, I think I will upload a video about how I found this out. Okay. Yeah. Look at this, guys. Let's take a moment to savor savor the every moment of this beautiful land. Okay. So we can just lead our horse slowly. We take our time because we can totally walk freely, do whatever you want to on this piece of land. I really enjoy this moment. Like I said, I really love this nature area of Blackwater, especially the Great Plains part. And also Tall Trees part has a lot of wild animals for you to do the hunting, so it is really brilliant too. Yeah, let's keep walking. Let's keep walking. Let's take our time, buddy. So I'm in my classic outfit. This is my kind of my favorite outfit, and the horse is my favorite. You probably know it from my previous video about how to get this Hungarian half-bred baby, a Piebald Tobiano. And now let's set up a camp. No, we don't want to fast travel to anywhere. We just want to sleep here. Because, like I said, this is a safe land for Arthur. One thing I have to mention is that you don't want your bounty to be very high, because if that's the case, because we know that if your bounty is high, there will be some like the bounty hunters hunting for you, and they belong to the law enforcement, right? And when you trigger that, then there will be Pinkertons coming after you from that moment on. So you may want to clear out all of your bounties, especially in the West Elizabeth, before doing this. Then you just cross the Blackwater, and then your bounty will be like $5. So most of the times at this low bounty, there will no Pinkertons. Oh no, sorry, there will no be like bounty hunters coming for you. So beautiful, right? And this unknown animal is definitely a rattlesnake, and this rattlesnake is definitely the black-tailed one. And you have probably known it already. There are quite a lot of like the black-tailed rattlesnake places in Blackwater too. That means that you don't have to go to New Austin for it. Yeah, like I said, so yeah, make sure that you don't have a really high bounty, so you will not be bothered by the bounty hunters, because when they come to find you, then this kind of trick like will lose its effect. Now let's say that you have like you still enough time here in tall tree areas in the Blackwater Nature. Now you want to go back. Please remember this. When you leave out this, when you leave this area, when you come back, there will be Pinkertons again. So as long as you just free roam this area and do not leave it, you don't want to go back to maybe the other safe lands, then you can, yeah, you can think of it as a safe land and do whatever you want for the rest of Arthur's life. Alright, so see, yeah, because I just left and then I came back, so the Pinkertons come back for us. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I really like the fact that Arthur can really free roam Blackwater completely. Do it in any chapter. Safe land.